السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألم تروا كيف خلق الله سبع سماوات طباقا وجعل القمر فيهن نورا وجعل الشمس سراجا. Allah says in Quran, don't you see how He created seven heavens in layers and placed the moon as a light in them, and created the sun as a blazing lamp. Allah says in Quran by referring to sun as a blazing lamp. Jazakallah.
Today we are living in 21st century, and day by day passes, the importance and need of electricity is increasing. Wherever you see, everything works on electricity. In fact, in your home, light, fans, refrigerator, washing machine, air conditioner, etc. Everything works on electricity. My dear brothers, just imagine a life without electricity. No lights, no fans, no washing machine, no refrigerators, no air conditioner. How miserable it would be. The stock market, which works on computer, if electricity would not be there, how the computers would work. Biggest trading centers, companies, malls, etc., which works on electricity. If electricity would not be there, how they could be worked? As there is an increase in population, the demand of electricity is increasing. For more electricity, government requires more electrical plant. For that, they take loan for making more electrical plants. They increase the citizen tax. Being a citizen of this nation and a Muslim, to help the humanity, we the students of Darul Uloom Imam-e-Rabbani have made this project to help the citizen and the government of India. As we all know that today there is a vast increase and in this project we are going to show that how we can take an advantage of this increase in temperature. There are 4 types of power plants, from which we have chosen the solar power plant and PV panels, which are known as solar panels too. So let's go to our first concept, the solar power plant, which is suggested for the government. The sun rays reflected from each reflector stand to the receiver at the top of the tower. Sodium and potassium nitrate salts are pumped from the cold salt tank up to the receiver, where they absorb the concentrated solar thermal energy at the temperature up to 565 degrees Celsius. Heated salt is then pumped down back to the hot molten salt tank, where they can be stored in the hot molten state and used to generate electricity by heat engine. The electricity generated can run a turbine continuously till 15 hours at high speed at night.
The first solution was for the government. The second solution, which I am going to explain you all, is for the citizen, the solar panels. There are numbers of silicon with each PV panel. These react with photons or units of light from the sun to produce the direct current DC or electricity. DC electricity then travels to an inverter, which converts this energy into electricity known as alternating current AC. AC electricity then travels to a distribution network in your home. When a solar panels produce more electricity, then a home offices using the extra electricity gets feedback to the utility company. At night time, the householders is using the extra electricity. The energy needed to power the house is pulled back from the utility company. Thank you.
Uses of solar energy. Uses of solar energy are heaters, cars, lights, dryers, calculators. Commercial uses: greenhouses, electric solar ponds, thermal. On an office and building, roof can be covered with solar panels. Remote buildings such as schools and communities can make use of solar energy. In developing countries, these solar panels are very much useful. So, we have used these solar panels in all over the city, because by this way the citizens are in rest and government is also. Now, this future city is ready, where citizens have been self-independent. Thank you for listening our thoughts and giving your precious time.